is Miss Teresa. This is our second Make It Monday, so welcome. Today we're going to learn how to make our rice snowman. So if you're ready, let's get started. So to start off, you're going to need a white sock, a colored sock, some string, markers, rice. You're going to need a pair of scissors. If you want optional, you can have a button or pom-poms. You're gonna need a glass. It makes it easier to put the rice in. And since my rice is in such a big bag, I'm going to use a bowl and a spoon. If your rice is in a smaller bag, you don't need this, okay? So let's get started. So the very first thing you're going to do, you're only going to need one plain white sock, and you're going to cut it right at the start of the heel to directly across and cut off that top. Put that over to the side, and take your sock. Put it in your glass, and this just makes putting the rice in a lot easier, okay? And then, like I said, because my rice is in such a big bag, we are going to pour some in the bowl just to minimize the mess factor. And you will spill rice. Unfortunately, there's just no way around that. See, I'm spilling it all over the place. And then take your sock every once in a while and give it a little pop to kind of make the rice go down to the bottom. And then keep filling it up. Stop again. And you don't want it too full because you need to tie the top, but you want them a fairly plump snowman. You don't want a skinny snowman. I think we've outgrown our cup. Probably get a couple more scoops in here. Alright, I think that's about it. Move my rice over out of the way. And you can fill it as full or fat as you want. That's about as fat I'm going to make them today. So we're going to take a string and we're going to tie it around the top. And it's just a simple knot. And we're going to do this a couple times to make sure it's good and secured. Cut off the extra. Excuse me while I clean up my mess real quick. Let's move that out of the way. Then you're going to figure out where you want his head, and you want more body than you want head. About right there is where we want the head. So we're going to take our second string, and we're going to tie it around. And you're going to tie it tight, but not so tight that you're cutting into the sock. And just like the top, you're going to make little knots. Cut the string on, and there's our little snowman body. Then we're taking our colored sock and we're going to cut off this part right below the heel, and then we're going to cut right above the heel. So we're actually cutting the heel out of the sock. And then we're going to cut where the elastic, the top elastic ends. We're going to cut that off. And then this part we're going to cut in half. So you should have 4 parts. This part is trash, this part is for the neck, this part is for the scarf, and this part is for his hat. Okay, so we're going to take our hat, we're just going to put it on his head, and we're going to fold it to make it look like a little beanie or toboggan. For that, and then this is for the, goes around his neck, and then we take this and we slide it under here, and then we tie a little tie in it. We have to give him a face. So we take our black marker and we're going to make a little eye and another little eye. Orange marker. I'm going to make a little triangle. And then for his buttons, like I said, if you had extra buttons, you can glue them on. But I'm just going to take my marker, and since his scarf is pink, I'm going to give him pink buttons. There you go. There's your little snowman. For your house, he's all ready for January. He has his little scarf and his hat. He's all ready for the winter. Thank you so much for joining us for our second Make It Monday. I hope you had as much fun making your rice snowman as I did. You can make as many of them as you want, decorate them for your home decor, change the colors, make them match your house, put them all throughout your house. I hope you had so much fun. And please make sure you share your little snowman on our Facebook page. We love seeing your creations. And until next time, bye.